Hi, I'm Chef Rich Marsh, and today we are preparing a healthy blueberry rhubarb compote. Okay, we're ready to start our compote. First thing we're going to do is clean up our rhubarb. You want to take the ends off, slice the rhubarb down the center, and then just give it a rough chop. Now, rhubarb is very high in dietary fiber and vitamin C. And add our sugar. Okay, after we add the sugar, we're going to add a quarter of a vanilla bean, which you want to split. And also keep in mind for your vanilla bean, if you do not have vanilla bean, you can use vanilla extract in its place. You're going to zest half of an orange, and you can use a cheese grater. This is a rasp or a microplane, but if you do not have this available, a cheese grater would work fine. And then you want to split your orange, and you want to add the juice of one orange. And your water. Give the compote a quick stir and allow it to simmer. It's going to simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, the rhubarb is done simmering. It's ready to transfer to a bowl where we'll add our blueberries. You want to remove it from the heat before you add your blueberries so that they don't cook too much. Also remove your vanilla bean at this point. And you want to fold in your blueberries. And mix it real well. Once the compote is mixed, you want to allow it to rest and come down to room temperature. Today we're going to be pairing it with salmon, but it's an excellent accompaniment with any seafood, poultry, ice cream, maybe pie, granola,